boy Mike T is back at you with another video. It's still gator season, y'all. It's still mask season, y'all. Hey, if you out there, let me take this off. It's only two of us in here, and we are 6 feet apart. But if you out here in the world, be safe. Wash your hands. Hygiene is most important. This COVID virus is real. So, you know, I'm sending prayers out to those that are hurt or are in the hospital currently due to the COVID conditions. But y'all gotta be safe. But let's get into this video. So as you've seen in the B-roll, there's a couple additions that I added to the newer videos. One being a ring light. And here's the actual box that it came in. And that is, I actually got to move it. I'm sorry I'm tearing up your display, Miss Alexis. It's a vlog camera. It's originally $20, but we got it for $12.99. And I believe we got this from Gabe's, which used to be Gabriel Brothers. It really does light up the room. Can't you tell? My face is glowing, ain't it, y'all? Is it popping? Can you see the grizzly? Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm almost speechless. Sinful Bliss, y'all. Get at me in the descriptions, or actually in the comment section below. It even went to my head. That's how good it smells. If you want something to radiate your house, makes everything smell, thebomb.com, right here is where it's at. So today we're going to be sublimating on a license plate for the holiday seasons. I've done it once or twice. And if you would like to see previous videos, go down and check that in my video descriptions. And you'll see where I've sublimated on license plates. We're getting ready to sublimate on this blank license plate. It has aluminum background, and it's a sublimated coat on the front. Now, they do sell on Amazon some license plates that look just like this, which you cannot sublimate on. Please don't make that mistake. That's what happened to me, and I was pretty ticked off. When I reached out to the company, they simply told me that I should have read the descriptions a little bit better. Well, I stated to them, I did read the descriptions before purchasing. And in the description, it had said that these were sublimation plates. So I had screenshot it and sent it to them. By the time I sent it to them, they had blocked me and I got nowhere. So, yo, you can read the descriptions till you blue in your face. If somebody sell you a faulty product, don't quit. Don't stumble. Don't start crying over spilled milk, because that's what it is, or lost money. Just keep it moving, keep it pushing. And those that do you wrong, eventually life comes back full circle. It's gonna bite them in the... Hey yo, Best Sub got picture frames you can sublimate on. That's Best Sub. And basically what it is a slate stone, and it has a sublimation surface on there. So I'm able to put 3D pictures on here, Christmas pictures on here, anniversary pictures, rest in peace pictures, however you want to do it. I'm able to do that with these. So what you want to do is lay the sublimation face down, or the white side down, on top of the image. The image is mirrored. Make sure to mirror your images, which means to reverse it. I'm going to do that using heat tape, which is an essential when sublimating. Make sure you guys get yourself a tape dispenser too, because I did it by hand for so long with the scissors, and that method was horrible. You can also double check after you've taped it down to see if the image is straight by simply lifting it up to the light and seeing exactly where it's lined up at. So after you get everything taped down, it's up to you if you would like to trim some of the excess, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'll be right back with you. Hey, yo, go check out Vinyl Supply Unlimited. My homeboy Jason is running it. Visit Vinyl Supplies Unlimited today. So if you hold it up to the light, you actually can see the outline of the license plate and the image. That's another way to line it up from the front, just in case you want to double, triple check. But now we're going to move to the heat press. My heat press is at 381 degrees. We're going to press for 45 seconds. So we have it down, and our temp has dropped a little bit. That always seems to happen. It fluctuates in between 370 and 380. I don't know why, but maybe we should speak with Heat Press Nation about that. Final countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we are. Now that's some steam. I would advise using some gloves, which I did make some gloves, but we'll just see. Hey, yo, you ain't got no bulletproof fingers. Don't be doing this, y'all. But look how crispy that came out. The end results on that is, woo, fuego. What y'all think about that image? That mirror, that gloss on there. I could have lined it up a little bit better. I see some flaws in it. But overall, I'm not too mad at it. Especially for a display plate. For those that want to get into Christmas decorations. Or seasonal decorations, I should say. Hey, yo! You know what time it is. But before we get into that, I got to shout out. What up, squad? C from 12 Gone Apparel. You dig? You dig? Say how you feel, because he going to say how he feel. And Jerome from All Things Style. Y'all make sure to go check out my people. Like, comment, and subscribe on their channel. Watch the videos all the way through. That's what helps us as YouTubers create more content for you guys. And also hit those affiliate links. Really, I ain't got nothing else left for you. So, what's my line? I never change, it says Mike every day. I never change, it says Mike every day. I never change, it says Mike every day. From a fat little kid that got a kick out of life. I never did change up, that's word to Christ. I always been the same, that's word to life. From adolescence to adulthood, that's just Mike. When faced with certain trials, there was always tribulations. Thinking back now on the fact I was facing. Decades in jail, hoping for probation. Looking at the judge with thirst and desperation. Thinking to myself, what kind of game is this? Where they teach us how to drown, but don't teach us how to live. Always had one dream, but never got that wish. Always been about self, but never selfish. I never change, this is Mike every day. 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 And this goes out to Heavenly. I never did question if you was part of me. I just acted like a man cold-heartedly. No one man is perfect, please pardon me. But the game she was playing led me to be the most evilest person a man could be. I swear she was just old and bitter and didn't like the way that they delivered. But the unfortunate thing is that you lost out on the father part of me. All those nights that was lost without me. Dreams that you never really got to see. And she changed me up. She changed me and made me to some lame duck. And that ain't no excuse for not being there. Only that her vision was not seeing clear. I never change, this is Mike every day. I never change, this is Mike every day. I never change, this is Mike every day.